Hey everyone, I recently did a project that required USB Type-C connector, and I got these breakout boards on AliExpress, and everything was working fine. As you can see, I plugged in a USB cable, it's Type-C, and when I measured the voltage, it was 5 volts. The device was working fine until I changed the cable and it was no longer working. It turns out that if you use USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, like this one here, then you don't get any voltage. The other cable is USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and that's why it works fine. After a few minutes of Googling, I came across this article. Alright, so it looks like I need a 5.1K resistor between C1, C2, and ground. Luckily, the breakout boards includes the pins for the resistor. They're right there. Unfortunately, the SMD resistors I have just way too big for this, so I'm gonna have to get creative. Excuse the noise, that's my fancy fume extractor. Okay, let's find out if it works. Okay, let me first check the old USB Type-A to USB-C cable. Make sure everything still works. Yep, 5 volts. Just holding the leads wrong. 5 volts. Now let's check the USB-C to USB-C cable. And fail. Okay, I have another USB-C to USB-C cable. Here's both ends of the cable. Let me try it out. And this one works. Okay, just to prove it's not the cable only, here is another board that does not have the resistor soldered on. So if I plug the same cable in, and so you can see there is nothing. And if I plug in the board or the adapter with the resistor, five volts. I don't know why the Apple cable doesn't work. It's supposed to be delivering all the voltage you can get, but it doesn't.